Yes, good afternoon, children. Okay. Yes, I think last class we just started the second chapter. Is that so? Yes. Okay. So we are here to start. We already started. So chapter 2, nutrition in animals. Okay, that's what we were discussing about it. Let us wait 1 minute for others to join, then we start. Okay, children, we just introduced the topic digestion or digestive system. Okay, so digestive system of human beings consists of different organs, and it also consists of different processes. So that's what we are going to see one by one. So I'm just that day my PowerPoint did not work. Now I'm going to show you the picture of digestive system. You are seen in your textbook also. So I'm moving on to that. I think, am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So keep your lecture notes with you. I can hear someone is singing. See, you are in the class, even we are physically far away. You are in your school. Remember that always. Okay. So your entire behavior, attitude should be like in the school. Okay. Don't think you are in the school, in the house. Through video, we are recording your movements, everything, and we can see. Okay, children. So this is our digestive system. So our digestive system is a complex process. Actually, the digestion of the food in our is a complex process. Every animal and plants, everyone has a different
Yes,
way
ma'am.
of digestive process. But you know it, the previous chapter we learned how the plants give us food, and on the basis of our mode of nutrition we are heterotrophs, and we are getting carbohydrates, minerals, proteins, fats, all these are nutrients we get from our food. But you know it, for our body, the blood is the main content in our body. Our life is mainly depend upon blood circulation from brain to heart and to different parts. Okay, so we can absorb the nutrients only in liquid form. We eat solid form, liquid form, everything. Okay, but our body can assimilate or absorb these nutrients only through liquid form. So carbohydrates, proteins, fats, all these things, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, all these things require to break down into soluble form or simpler substances. That process is digestion. So what is digestion? Digestion is the process of breaking down complex substances into simpler forms. Okay. So our main parts of our digestive system is this. I'm making it a little more big, the diagram for you. Okay, children. So mainly we have 6 parts. Now don't write, just listen to me. I'll tell you what to write. Okay. The main parts, the first part is buccal cavity. I just introduced that buccal cavity, but I did not explain much. Today we are going to learn little more detail. Okay. So first part is buccal cavity. Buccal cavity that I told you touch from your mouth to neck. So this black in color is the part of buccal cavity. Okay. And what you see in the purple and different magenta color is other parts. So buccal cavity. So our digestive system starting from buccal cavity and ends at anus, you know. So you take the food through the mouth and we expel the waste. After taking nutrient, we expel the waste through anus and our urinary bladder. Okay. So our digestive system starting from, hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Someone is saying something?
No, the second word I did. Second word.
No, first you listen the first one.
Yes.
Okay. Our entire system, digestive system starts from buccal cavity and end to anus. End to anus. 1 minute. I just moved.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you get that the word? Anus. So starting from buccal cavity and ending at anus. Okay. Now, first organ, main organ in digestive system is buccal cavity. And our buccal cavity consists of other parts. One part is salivary gland. You can see in the picture. Yeah. Salivary gland. That is the one part. Everyone mute your audio. I can hear there someone is something saying it. Who are this? Shall I stop this? Who are the person passing comments over there? Okay. Until I tell don't unmute. When I ask you that time you unmute. Otherwise we don't able to explain the class. Okay. Okay. So buccal cavity consists other parts. One is mouth. Our mouth is a part of the buccal cavity. Then second is teeth. Our teeth. Okay. Through mouth we take the food. And teeth, what the teeth does, the teeth chew and break that food into smaller pieces. If you take one piece of chicken, you bite it, and what is our teeth do? Teeth will break into small pieces. Okay. Then while you chew it, the salivary gland secretes saliva. You know what is saliva? Okay, your spittle. So saliva mixed with this broken pieces. Now, while you take the food, there is also in the food carbohydrates are there, proteins is there, fats is there, so many things are there. But in your mouth, only carbohydrates are broken into pieces. Proteins, fats, suppose you eat one vegetable. If that vegetable gives you carbohydrates and proteins, only carbohydrates break into pieces. Proteins and all that will enter in your stomach. So first, in the mouth, the buccal cavity only break the carbohydrates. What is the carbohydrates? Actually, carbohydrates is starch. You learned in previous lessons, starch. Okay. So, in carbohydrate, there is starch. And the starch turn into sugar with the help of saliva. Are you getting what I say? So, buccal cavity, there are so many parts. I repeat once again. Buccal cavity, so many parts. That is mouth, teeth, tongue, salivary gland. Okay, these are our buccal cavity. Now, when you take the food into it, teeth will chew the food and break it to pieces with the help of saliva, which secretes by salivary. What is that? Salivary gland. We have a salivary gland inside. Okay. And on the tongue there are taste buds. Okay. So while you chew a chicken piece, you taste it, your taste buds will detect whether it's a very tasty or it is a bad one or good one, whether you are eating very good chicken or bad chicken. Okay, okay.
Stale chicken.
That's all. That's all. When I say chicken, everyone is so happy. This much time you were very dull. Anyway, good, good. So I understood that you all like chicken very much. Okay. Okay, clear. So that's all. So chicken has got carbohydrates in that, proteins is there, fats is there. So buccal cavity, inside the buccal
A
cavity,
little
only
honey place.
in buccal cavity, only carbohydrates
Winter.
break into sugar.
Winter.
Break into sugar. That will take place in buccal cavity with the help of saliva
Madam.
in the teeth.
Madam.
Did you get the
Madam,
function?
the first answer is winter.
Somebody is saying something.
The birds are flying south for winter.
Who is saying something? I am teaching function of buccal cavity. Someone is saying something else. Who is that? Tell me who's that? I did not listen what you say. That's what. Yes, tell me. Children, speak. Who are saying something in between? No answer. Can I continue? Can I continue,
Yes,
children?
ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, so shall we go to the, so you can see buccal cavity, salivary gland. Clear? Okay. Second organ is esophagus. Second organ is esophagus. Esophagus, the spelling is O-E-S-O, but we pronounce E. O is silent. So children, you are learning new terms. 6th standard, you did not learn much, but now you are learning new terms. So esophagus, another word is food pipe. Another word is food pipe. So,
Ma'am, ma'am,
yes.
someone's other background is
That's
hearing.
what I'm saying. I'm hearing someone's here. Nothing is here. That's what I'm asking. I am hearing someone is talking. Maybe other class children's some network, no. So maybe some disturbance is coming. Wrong signal may be coming in here. Sometimes through mobile you can see the same thing. I have experience. Someone's sound, you are speaking to someone, but someone who doesn't know in Hindi and all will speak in between. Maybe it may be like that. That's what I was asking. I can hear someone is saying something. That's what. Okay. Okay, children.
I also can hear someone saying.
What they say? Tell me what that sound sound is telling you. Can I just make out who is that?
Ma'am,
English?
not clear. Ma'am, not. I think it is English, but not clear. Full of breaking.
Okay, okay. But my sound is clear now.
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
audible to you? That's
Yes.
okay. You listen to me. Maybe due to network problem because of this rain and all.
ma'am.
Some wrong signal is getting into this. That's it. Okay. So let us continue. So esophagus or food pipe. That means whatever you chew, whatever you swallow, that will be entered through this food pipe. And it comes to the third part, stomach. So first part, buccal cavity, second organ, esophagus, and third part, stomach. From the stomach, I'll explain to you in detail later. Okay, what is the function of the stomach? What the pancreas does, gallbladders does, and liver does. That we will do later. First, let us just give all the organ, then we study in detail. Then, from the stomach, digestion is completed and it comes to small intestine. And what is the small intestine? I simply say, later we learn details. Small intestine is the one who absorbs the nutrients. So in stomach, carbohydrates turn into sugar inside the buccal cavity. but proteins breaking is in stomach. That is our. Okay. Then come to small intestine. The next part is large intestine, and last part of organs are anus.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I have one doubt.
Yes, tell me.
What will liver do?
That I'll come to you. When I teach you stomach, I will tell you. Liver, gallbladder and pancreas. All these are another parts in some of these organs. I just explained to you, in buccal cavity we have teeth, mouth, salivary gland, all that. Similarly, liver, pancreas is related to stomach. They are related to stomach. So when I explain to the function of the stomach, I will tell you. Okay. Because everything, if I teach you, you get confused. Let us now go by organ wise, one by one organ. Okay, children. So now all of you write down organs. Organs in digestive system. Write down main organs in digestive system. Main, you can write it down. Main organs. You can give the heading. Main organs in digestive system. You can write one by one. First you can write buccal cavity. Buccal cavity. B-U-C-C-A-L-C-A-V-I-T-Y. Buccal cavity. Second one, esophagus. But when you write the spelling, don't forget O. Another word, food pipe. It's the local name, food pipe. Esophagus is a botanical name. Third one, third important part, stomach. 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 Have you written this?
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth one. Fourth one you can write. Small intestine. Fifth main organ, large intestine. And sixth, anus. Okay, children. Now we are moving on to study mainly about buccal cavity. That's the main part we are going to study. Hope all have written. So already I explained to you about the function of buccal cavity. We completed that. So we just write, right? Parts of buccal cavity. Write down. Parts of buccal cavity. Okay. Before, write down the parts of the buccal cavity. It consists of mouth. It consists of, you can see in the slide. Only write what I am marking with the green color. Others don't write. Mouth, teeth, salivary gland, taste buds. Only what underline with the green color only do. Mouth, teeth, salivary gland, tongue, taste buds. Okay? Okay. I come back to you.
Ma'am,
Okay,
one more time, sir.
Okay. Mouth, teeth, salivary gland, tongue, taste buds. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Some of you asked me, what do you mean by the liver? Liver, salivary gland, pancreas. All these are some of the digestive glands. Digestive glands, some instruments we can say. In mechanically, there are some instruments, natural instruments, which secrete digestive juice. What do you mean by digestive juice? I already told you that we cannot take the solid food. We need to add, mix with some liquid and make it in a liquid form. So this digestive juices helping us to make this solid food into liquid form as you chew. Clear? So in every organ, some of the glands are there. So in buccal cavity, which are the glands present? Salivary glands. Similarly, in stomach, there are two glands. They are the one liver and pancreas. Liver and pancreas, they are helping to break down the proteins and fats. That is their duty. And liver is the largest gland in human body. Liver is the largest gland in human body. It's a one-word question. Every time ask in the question, which is the largest gland in human body? That is the liver. Okay. Okay, so you can write that as I explain about the stomach function, we explain more liver and pancreas. Now you only just write those names. Okay, I'm showing the slide. The main digestive glands which secrete digestive juices are only those points. Only you write what I am underlining. Don't copy everything. Already this one already have given. Main adjective, so I am making it to blue now. Salivary glands, liver and the pancreas.
Ma'am, after pancreas, you're writing.
No, don't write. Okay. Till 2:40. Okay. Did you write that, children? Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
we are moving on to next. So I am teaching point by point. I am breaking into the big chapter point wise. So we first learn what are the main organs in digestive system. Then we learn what is the part of the buccal cavity. How does buccal cavity helps us? Second point, we learned about digestive juices. What is that? The next thing, all these 6 main organs together we call digestive system, and this entire system we call it a common name. That is known as alimentary canal. So write down next. Okay, what do you mean by alimentary canal? So the parts.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of alimentary canal?
I will write. See, I am coming. You just write this. You write what I am on the board, what I am writing on the board. Then I will write alimentary canal. Just write as a next point. The parts begin from what I am writing. Same way you write. Buccal cavity and ends at anus. All together in digestive system is known as alimentary canal. Now you see the spelling. Alimentary canal. One more word is there. Digestive tract. So, children, you are learning so many scientific terms. Write and study. The parts begin from buccal cavity and ends at anus. All together in digestive system is known as alimentary canal or digestive tract. Textbook, all these are scattered here and there. So I am giving you this. So lecture notes will be helpful for you. in studying
Ma'am.
this a big chapter.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it is elementary or elementary?
elementary. E L A.
Thank you, ma'am.
ALIMEN, elementary canal. Elementary means ELEL. This is AL. Did you get it, children? Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay. So, remember all that what you studied now. Okay? Everyone has written? Yeah. Now,
Yes,
children,
ma'am.
we are moving on to next session. See, each organ is doing some process to complete the digestion. So, digestion only complete from buccal cavity to, buccal cavity to anus. In between buccal cavity and reaching to anus, there's a lot of process. I already told you, breaking down carbohydrates, breaking down proteins, then blood is absorbing all the nutrients, then liver is working, pancreas is working, kidney is doing some work. So many things are here. Now, each organ has some particular process and we are giving a particular name for it. Okay. So, the first name of the process is ingestion. Ingestion